Hey guys, hope you're well and your week has started on a good note. I went away for a little break, but I'm back. I still feel tired, guys. I think I just stayed. You know that you come from holiday and you're still tired? Yeah, but I had to come back to work, and you know what? Adulting is a trap. But anyway, we keep moving. I'm sure soon I'm going to get a break as Christmas is coming soon. I came to the office to a very exciting PR package, and I'm going to do the unboxing with you and just tell you a little bit about the products. So I'll be opening the PR package with you, and I've used the products before, so I'll be telling you my experience for the past 1 month since I've started using the products. So move straight to unboxing. So the package looks like this. Okay, it's quite big. So let's unbox. Sorry for the noise, guys. Me and my roughness. So that's the box. Forgive me for the noise, guys. I'm so sorry. So inside the box we have a card written Catherine, and it says, "Dear Catherine, they say greatness is seeing the best in others when they cannot see it in themselves. Catherine, you're a natural leader with a gift of lifting everyone you touch. Your thoughts, action, and words inspire in us our will to be the very best versions of ourselves. May your tribe increase." From their mouth to God's ears. And it ends by saying, "Keep inspiring and changing always." So the product is Always, and these are the products. So I'll be unboxing them and just showing you each one of them, my experience, and some facts about the products. So Always has launched a new product called the Always Organic. It's 100% organic, and with me today I have 3 products from that range, which is the Always Cotton Organic. And I will start with the day one. So it's called the Always 100% Organic Cotton. So what is 100% organic is the top sheet of the pad, and this is called the long. There are 10 of them inside here, and this is the day one. So I'll just open, show you how it looks like. So that's the pad and how it's packaged. I have used them in the office. The girls at the office have used them. At home, the girls have been using it. So let me tell you some of the all of us experience things differently. Let me tell you some of the things that we have all experienced. Number one is that it's very, 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 very light. And when they mean long, it's actually long, which helps to protect from any leakage. So when they were creating this product, Always had the woman in mind and also the environment. It's 100% organic, meaning it's very, very gentle to your skin. It's especially people who have sensitive skin. And also, organic is good for the environment, is good for the planet. The packaging is also made from renewable sources, so it is also eco-friendly. And I will repeat it again, it's very feather light. It's very light. You don't feel like you're wearing anything. Before I continue, guys, I'm not a pad person. I used tampons for the longest time. Why? Because obviously, guys, during my time, we didn't have all these different products out here. So this has made me rethink, why didn't I like to use pads before? Because I find them too heavy, too bulky, and if you're someone who your flow is light, you tend to feel it's not worth it to wear something that is too heavy, it's uncomfortable. But this has made me change my mind because it's very light, like it's featherweight light. We also have the night one, which is called the Always 100% Organic Cotton Night. There are 9 of them inside. They are longer than the day ones, also definitely because at night of tanning and everything, to avoid any messes. And as much as I said about people who have light flow, the thing is, even if you have heavy flow, which I got it from one of my girls, is that it's very absorbent, meaning that even if you have heavy flow, you can still use it and you still feel dry at the end of the day. Another thing to note is that it doesn't have any fragrance, it doesn't have any dyes, and also the gel they use on the pad is not harmful to women. We also have panty liners, very light, and they come, these are the normal, they come 28 of them inside. I like the packaging. I'll remove one for you to see. So those are panty liners for days you feel like you have discharge, for those days when you feel like your periods on their last days and you don't need a pad, you can use panty liners. So like I said again, we've had the products earlier and we've used them for a month. So those are the kind of reviews I've gotten from myself, for the girl at the office, for at home from my daughters. You can find the product at Naivas and also at Carrefour. To be honest guys, this pad is a premium product for that lady who knows what they want, who wants to know what is in their products, a lady who wants to pamper themselves during that time of the month, who wants to make those 5 to 7 days a little more bearable. I always say the older you get, you tend to have more self-love and want to invest more in yourself. So I would recommend this product. It's a premium product. It's for someone who knows what they want, and to be honest guys, it's very comfortable and very light from my perspective. So ladies, please go sit there, purchase the product, let me know. I'd like to hear your reviews and any feedback, good or bad. It will be important for me to know. So before I finish, I'll show you the other things that came in the package. We have a water bottle written Catherine and Always. They've made my Monday bearable, by the way. And we also have, look at me with my roughness. They also have a mug written Always. Just a reminder to always put yourself first, guys, if you ask me. And then we have another box. Wow. Okay. So here we have like a self-care box. It contains some lemon curd, Nate's lemon curd. Just like I said, treating yourself during those 5-7 days of the week, taking care of yourself. I think we also have some powder. Has no name in it, but I can smell tangawizi, I can smell ginger, and we also have a box of organic lemongrass tea. So you could use this like this to make tea when you want your Kenyan chai tea. You could use this powder. For someone like me who doesn't take milk, this would be perfect. And then the lemon curd. So as you can see, it's all about pampering yourself and putting yourself first on those days of the month where you're going through your periods, it's rough on you, you're having back pains, headaches. Just be gentle on yourself so that you can be able to go about your everyday life. We also have something here. It's called the Green Thing Toxin Free Dish and Fruit Soap. Again, very eco-friendly. I'll use it and let you know. There's something here wrapped up. Oh wow, so for the tea, this is really nice. So this is where you put your tea leaves and then water, and then you can have your tea. And finally, we have another box. It feels like my birthday, guys. Oh, it's another self-care box. So we have shea body butter with vanilla. Mine is nearly over, so this is quite timely. We have body cleanser, a shampoo bar, and we have some cloth swabs. You can use this to wash your face, to put your toner, and the good thing is that they can be cleaned, so they're also environmentally friendly. And that's it, people. That's the package that came with Always. And as you can see, the theme is about treating yourself, taking care of yourself during that time of the month. I would really recommend for you guys to go check these products out. Like again, I said, you can find them at Carrefour and Naivas, and give them a try and let me know what you think. That's it for now, guys. This has really made my Monday. It was a difficult Monday coming back to work after being away, but this has really made me excited, and I can't wait to hear your reviews. Bye, guys.